Hey social media managers, I'm excited to welcome you on board for this video, where I will guide you through the ZoomSphere workspaces and demonstrate how you can use them for seamless client management. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's kick things off by understanding what workspaces are. They are the perfect solution to keep your apps organized and structured, whether you're handling 5 or 50 clients. Now let's explore 3 use cases to use those workspaces. Number 1. Client-centric workspaces. They are ideal for agencies that want to create a dedicated workspace for each client. Number 2. Multi-brand workspaces. Organize your workspaces by creating one for each brand section, like Calypso Kids, Calypso Home, and Calypso Jewels. And remember that the system can also be used for language variations, such as Calypso US or Calypso UK. Number 3. Functional workspaces. Create one workspace for each function or task. For example, the Juice Barista Facebook and Instagram workspaces with Scheduler, Analytics and Customer Care, Research workspace with Benchmarking and Notes, and Influencers workspace with Notes and Workflow Manager. But remember that the final look of your workspaces is up to you. Now it's time to proceed to how to create one on your own. While you can certainly work with the one we set up for you by default, if you wish to create an additional workspace, move your cursor to the left side panel and click on the plus New Workspace button. Next, enter the name, press enter, and voila! A new workspace will pop up. Set access to your teammates, all clients, and remember that you can always check all the workspace users in the top right corner. Now we will quickly examine the settings of each workspace, which are visible to the admin with the master account. You can effortlessly access the settings by clicking the small cogwheel icon in the top right corner of each workspace, or you can access them by clicking on your profile icon, selecting Settings, and switching to the Workspace Settings part. Here you can view all your workspaces and modify their settings. Once you click on a specific workspace, you can alter its name, archive, or delete it once for all. Additionally, you can adjust its schedule statuses, labels, and tags, plus community and monitoring labels. We will dive deeper into the apps in our future videos, but let me quickly guide you through the process of adding your first app. Click the red plus button in the corner and our app store will appear. From there, select the app you want and purchase it if you haven't already. Let's add, for example, a scheduler, workflow manager, and notes to our workspace. Once you have a few apps in it, you can use our drag and drop function to rearrange those apps easily. This enables you to organize them based on their themes, colors, or any other preference you may have. Also, keep in mind that it's not possible to move apps through workspaces. With each workspace, there's also a pre-generated chat that allows everyone with at least one shared app in a workspace to view all the messages and chat in it. So feel free to use it for any discussion about the project. Okay, let me summarize all the key benefits our workspaces have. First, it's user-friendly and avoids unnecessary clutter. Each user is presented with only the essential apps relevant to their tasks within their account. Just make sure the access is set right for everyone in each app. This ensures that ZoomSphere remains a clutter-free platform for the whole team. Next, an unlimited numbers of apps. Yes, you heard that correctly. Once you purchase an app, you can install it even 100 times. And did you know you can view all workspaces even in our mobile app? Just tap the arrow in the upper right corner and scroll down to your workspaces. ZoomSphere is also an excellent solution for keeping your things organized. It allows you to group all relevant apps for each brand you manage within a single workspace, eliminating the need to switch between various systems and platforms. And last but not least, it just looks amazing. We love colors, believing that visual communication is way better than a written list. That's why every module can be customized with various colors and icons, so remember to get creative. And there you have it! Now you know how to use workspaces to the fullest potential. If you would like to know more about our apps or how to use ZoomSphere for your daily tasks, don't forget to check out other videos too. Thanks for joining me today. Bye!